this, you just can't peep. It's a natural, international, not that same old shit. Get split in half, figuratively speaking, take a blood bath when I run past them seas. Rock the mic like the sun splash. It's in Jamaica, the heartbreaker lyrics like a stake through your left pectoral. Your shit is horrible, I'm clean like brand new momos on a Porsche, and your shit is sitting on rims. Let me begin to elaborate. Rings on his hands like each finger was Saturn, and the latest fashions, but the same patterns kept flashing up in his rap. Concerned with glamorous tales of fatalities like he was Tarantino. The analogy is we know that Quentin write fiction fantasies woven intricately while I'm predicting every motion. Them slight changes in your tone of voice is a toast to your parasitic choice of speak. Leaking cold blood out the arteries if you bit, cause we acidic. You can't configurate like the great hieroglyphics. Resistance we incinerate. Lit it up, now I'm finna cut. Keep the demonstration of uniqueness.
It could be fatal, wait till Del come back out and act out emotions and
don't you ever forget, it could be fatal, wait till Oak come back out and act out emotions in Oakland blackout.
Hurrah, here comes Del to dispel the blahs, cause and effect. Pause for respect.